Hello guys! In Devas of Creation is a vast game with lots to explore. Traveling on foot can be slow and tedious. Mounts can greatly improve your gameplay. So methods to get free mounts. Seasonal Pass progression. The Seasonal Pass offers various rewards including mounts. Free tires can still provide decent mounts like Storm Scale. Getting Storm Scale quickly might require patience and dedication. Completing side quests. Zorin side quest in Northwood rewards mounts. Be prepared for a lengthy quest involving gathering items. Consider buying the premium seasonal pass for faster progression. Additional tips. Mounts can help you avoid low-level enemies and explore the world more efficiently. Don't delay getting a mount, especially as you progress through the game. Be patient and persistent in your quest for free mounts.